Hi, it's Emily and thank you so much for clicking this video. So for today's video, I wanted to recreate the makeup look that Kelsey Deenihans recently did on Millie Bobby Brown for the Godzilla Premier. When I first saw this look, I thought it was absolutely beautiful and stunning. It's really classic and timeless, and I think it would be beautiful on so many different skin tones, and so I really wanted to recreate it, and that's what I did today. If you like this makeup look or you like recreating makeup looks, please give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to comment down below of what other makeup looks you'd like to see me recreate. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that red button so you can join the family, and without further ado, let's jump into the look. Okay, so for the base of the face, for like the foundation and the contour and blush, when looking at the picture that the makeup artist and Pat McGrath posted online, she really does have a really natural base. It's just her skin. It looks like some light contouring and maybe a really light blush. I don't see any highlight, and then she just looks like she maybe brushed through her brows and did like a couple hair strokes, and that's it. And so we really do want to keep this whole base natural throughout the whole look. And so I did just wash my face and apply an oil on my skin under so I can have like an oily base on my skin for everything to slide on top of. And then I'm going to be going in with a Ket Cosmetics foundation to keep everything natural. So I'm first going to take some of that fixed cream makeup and go in with my finger and just pat that under my eyes to help cancel out the blue dark circles that I have. I'm then going to go ahead and apply the foundation to the rest of my face and blend that out. So now that I have that all blended out, I'm going to be going in with my concealer, and for that I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Beige. After that is all blended out, I'm just going to go ahead and set my whole face with the Pixi Flawless Finishing Powder in Translucent. Now for my contour, I'm going to be using the Pixi Natural Contour Powder in Shape and Shadow. Looking at the picture of Millie Bobby Brown's makeup, it looks like she just mainly has contour out here on the side of her temples, here under her cheekbones, as well as a little bit on her jaw, and so that's what I'm going to do with my contour as well. I then want to do just a really light dusting of blush on my cheeks for some color, and for that I'm going to be using the Benefit Cosmetics blush in Dandelion. Then for my brows, since hers look really natural, I'm first going to be going in with the Benefit Gimme Brow and just brushing through my brows to give them some more structure and depth, and then I'm going to be taking the Morphe Micro Pencil and filling in any sparse areas that I have. Okay, so my eyelids are already primed from the concealer, and I'm just going to go in and set that with the translucent setting powder that we used earlier. So in the photos, Millie Bobby Brown has a really natural crease, and it's a really light brown. It doesn't get too dark, and so I'm going to be going in with the same contour that we used on our face and just building that up in the crease. So for the lid, Millie is wearing this really gorgeous gold that goes from the front of the lid all the way into the back and is blended into a chocolate brown. And so for my next shadows, I'm going to be using the Morphe 35R palette, and I'm going to be picking up the really pretty gold in here, spraying that with some setting mist, and then putting that all over my lids. Then on the very outer edge of the eye, she has this really pretty chocolate brown that the gold blends into, and so I'm going to be taking this chocolate brown here in the palette and then putting that on the outer corner of my eye. Once I have that placed there, I'm going to be taking the brush that I used for the crease and blending that out because I want to keep this crease really light and not blend in too much of that dark brown. So Millie's eyes has a really dark brown or black shadow that's placed up here on the top of her lash line, as well as smudged out on the lower lash line, and so I'm going to be going into the darkest brown of the palette and then doing the same. So for my lower lash line, I'm first going to take the same brush that we used for the upper lash line, and I'm going to take that same shadow and just press it right up here against my lash bed. Then I'm going to take a smaller smudge brush and use the same color that we used in the crease and then blend that out. So for her brows, they look pretty bare, so I'm not going to put any eyeshadow on it, but for the inner corner, I'm going to be going in with the lightest shimmer in this palette and then popping that on. So for her lashes, she just has a really natural mascara on, and so for mine, I'm going to be using the Pixi by Petra Double Brush Mascara. So for my lips, I first started off with a Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip liner in Celebrity Skin, and then I put on top of that the Maybelline matte lipstick in Beige Babe. Then for my last step, I'm going to be taking the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and spraying that all over my face to set in my makeup and to lock in all those layers. And here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a comment down below of any looks that you want to see me recreate, and also give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't joined already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.